In this video for the Xoro 9000 combo receiver, we're going to show you basically how you can sort and delete your channels into a convenient order to suit yourself. So to do this, basically all you have to do is hit the menu button. You're in the first menu by default to edit channel. All you have to do is arrow over to TV channel list. Okay, so as I mentioned in an earlier video, when you scan in the Irish channels, they'll come in at the end of your list. Okay, so that mightn't be convenient for you. Probably you'll want them at the top of your list. You know, traditionally you'd have RTE 1, 2, you know, etc. And then you start with your BBCs and onwards. Okay, so to move them, all you have to do is simply just arrow down to the one you want and press the yellow button. So I'm just going to move RTE 1 here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is you press the OK button and then you arrow to the position you want. So I want them at the top of my list, so I'm going to move it down to position 1 and then I press OK. I'm going to arrow back to RTE 2, press OK and move it into position 2. I'm going to arrow down the TV, or arrow back up to TV3, press OK, and I'm going to put that in position 3. So you get the gist of it there. It's very simple. And then to exit, to save that, I should say, all you have to do is press the exit button twice. Are you sure you want to save? And that order has been saved. Now obviously you do them for all the channels, but just for the sake of the length of the video, I'm just going to show you basically a couple. Okay, so that's fine. So that's basically how you move a channel, you know, to the order that you want. But the next thing is then, if you want to delete a channel, say there's something there that you don't want to, this is a load of rubbish, I don't want to be looking at this and I don't want it in my channel list. This is basically how you do it. If you're in the TV, you go back into the TV channel list. So just say, for argument's sake, you know, I'll just pick one there at random. Say I don't want ITV4+1. All you have to do basically is hit the blue button to edit. Just arrow down and make sure it's highlighted. Press the blue button to edit and then the blue button again, which is delete. So basically you're in delete mode now. And you can see that the little icon kind of lifted a little when you have it selected. So all you have to do is go to the channel that you don't want, press OK, and say I don't want film 4, say I don't want film 4+1, say I don't want BBC News. That's fine. So I have them all X'd. So to save them then, all I have to do is simply hit the exit button and then hit it again. And it'll say, are you sure to save? Yes. And they will be gone out of my list now. So I'll just go back down through there now and you'll see that they're gone. So they've all been deleted from my list. So you could see how that works if there's channels that you don't want or something like that. So just to get back to normal TV then, all you have to do is press the exit button a couple of times. So that's basically it, how you can sort and arrange your channels on the Xoro 9000 combo receiver.